the wig is from Amazon. And for it to be from Amazon, like if it was like an emergency type situation, like I just need a wig real quick because I got somewhere to go, or I need a wig real quick because my hair look a mess, or it's quarantine and it's corona outside and I can't go get my hair done, so I need to throw a wig on. This is that wig. Hey, what's up everyone? As you can see by the title of the video, I bought an Amazon wig, and today we are going to be showing you, I am gonna be showing you what this wig looks like and if it's good quality, and I'm also going to install it. Don't know if I'm going to install it on camera yet, but I guess we'll see. So I ordered the wig on Amazon Prime, and I literally got it the very next day. So it came in this package. Of course it's open because I couldn't contain myself. And it came in this cute little box. Come on now. Like a present. So, move this to the side. Of course, the hair came in like a little net and everything. It was packaged pretty nice. It also came with lashes. Y'all know, if y'all watch my previous lash video, y'all know how I am with lashes. Like I can't know. Okay, so I actually bought this wig pretty short because I have a style in mind, like a bobbish type style that I want to do. But before I did that, I just wanted to come on camera really quick and show you guys what it looks like fresh out the package. I should try it on real quick. And so this is 14 inches in body wave, and I will also link the Amazon vendor that I got it from. Let me just try it on real quick so we can see what this is looking like. It's kind of tight. Ew. Sheesh, this thing get tight. I think I made it too tight. Jesus. I went crazy. But I kind of just wanted to get a feel for it and see how the length and everything. Because like I said, I do have a look in mind. Alright. So I'm actually going to go wash this hair and everything. And see what we can do. See what we can do with it. Oh. And this is the lace is a 13 by 6. Yes, 13 by 6. This is my first time seeing it too, so we doing this together, okay? This is gonna be so cute. Careful with my braids. Oh, these combs just be tearing out your hair. Alright, so this is what I mean by 13 by 6 in case you guys don't know. This is the wig inside out. This is the perimeter, which is 13 inches. And this is the parting space. This is not 6. Hold up. Hold on, Amazon. Let me check and see if this is 13 by 6 or 13 by 4 because that looks like 13 by 4. I could have swore I ordered 13 by 6 and maybe I didn't. Okay, so I thought it was 13 by 6, but it actually does not say what it is at all. So I'm glad I got some. But looking at it though, it looks like 13 by 4. Which is fine because, I mean, I prefer 13 by 6 because I like parting far back. Because to me, longer parts make wigs look more natural, or natural in general. So we're gonna make this work. So I'm gonna go wash this and stuff, and I'll be back after I finish prepping it. Okay, you guys, I am back with the hair on, installed, curled a little bit. Not really feeling how I styled it. I honestly really just want to wet it and wear it in its wavy style, but I'm gonna leave it like this for the sake of this video. Okay. Don't talk about me in the comments. Lot of things I need to say about this hair. Okay, so Lord have mercy. I tried bleaching the knots. Only the perimeter got lighter. The hair up in here didn't do not a thing. So my roots still dark. Tweezing was hard. It was hard to get the hair off of the thing. It was just hard. I don't like ripping hair out of my lace, but I literally had to do that just to get this little part here. The crown is very, very thick. Like, look, it is so thick, y'all. So like, it's so much tweezing that I can go back and do, but my thumb was getting tired. Snatching. This wig to me will be something that I'm just gonna have like emergency basis, or I'm running to the store or something. I can't see myself wearing this wig like to go out. I don't know, like I don't know. This might be like a work wig or something. Like, this is not I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about this wig. The hair is very soft. I don't think it's virgin. Where's my phone? Let me check and see what oh, my iPad. Let me check and see how they're advertising this hair online. The hair is beautiful, but it feels more like Remy hair. It's very, very, very soft. Well, not that that's a bad thing, but it feels like back in the day when we used to go to the beauty supply store and get the pack hair for $100 a pack. Yeah, it feel like that hair, like it's really silky, like a Remy hair. Okay, so let me see how they're advertising this wig. I don't know, the hair is very pretty though. I guess like the hair itself is really pretty. Everything that's going on with the lace I wasn't feeling, but this could be a nice little work wig, something professional. The style that I had in mind that I wanted for this wig, it didn't work, so I'm kind of feeling away. But that just really could have a lot to do with my styling. As you can see, my baby hairs are super, super thick, which I don't really, well, I don't like at all. Like, I either don't do baby hairs or they're very, very, very light. But the hair was so hard to tweeze, like, I was just like, you know what, forget it. I'm just about to have thick baby hairs for this video because I don't got time. My hands hurt. My hands hurt. Like, the plus of that is like the hair don't shed. The hair does not shed. Okay. Like, I can pull the hair. It's not going nowhere. It's like they got it glued in there or something, glued in the lace. I don't know. Here we go. It says lace front human hair wigs for women. Pre-plucked hairline. The hairline was pre-plucked, but it wasn't pre-plucked to my liking, which is why I went back in and tried to pluck some more, but realized the hair is permanently in there. It's very bulky. It's right in here. It's very bulky. Which I don't mind the bulk, but like where my hairline is, I don't want it that bulky. Like, if they could have moved the bulk back a little bit, then I would give me some body right up in there. It would have been fine. Okay, wait. I didn't read fully. This says Brazilian version. That doesn't make sense. It says Brazilian version hair wigs, body wave, lace frontal, human hair with baby hair. It's this, what? I'm gonna have to screenshot this and put this in because this is a really, the description. But at the end, it says Remy hair wigs. So, which one is it, sis? You know, it's Remy because it feels like Remy. It definitely feels like Remy. And it's nothing wrong with Remy. Remy hair is beautiful, okay? Like I said, it's very silky, very smooth. It curled beautifully. I had no problem curling it. How much did I pay for this hair? Oh. Okay, so I can't complain because I think I only paid $76 for this. Did I only pay $76 for this? I paid $76.99 for this hair, so definitely Remy hair, but at the same time it is also 14 inches, so the hair is short, but definitely Remy hair. Okay, so what I paid for and what I got, like what I paid for equals out to what I got. $76 wig, this is alright. Like I said, very conservative, good for work, good for my 9-to-5 girls out there whose job you can't do the crazy hair and stuff. That, like I said, the hair curls very nice, but I'm not really feeling the curls on me. That has nothing to do with the wig. I'm definitely gonna wet this hair back, and I'm probably gonna wear it in its natural state and define the waves. And that's probably what I'm gonna do because I'm not feeling this. I think I said everything about it. The cons is just the lace, like it's hard to pull. Also, I ain't put no powder on this That's nice. That's a good thing. It kind of blends with my scalp a little bit. Like, I can definitely see the lace, but like if I ran out the house and forgot to put powder, like, it's absolutely fine. You have to be up on me in my mirror to really see it, I think. So I don't know. So let me do the rundown again. Cons: the lace is fine. The way the hair is knotted into the lace is my thing. They got this thing permanently in there. I can't tweeze it. I can't tweeze the hair out. I had to yank it out. Okay, I had to get mad and pull it out for it to come out. Too bulky right here, like too much hair. Like I showed you guys the parting, like it's just not, it's not. But you can also do the flip over method with this. I would say method. Oh Lord. You can do the flip over method with this where you won't really need a part. So all that matters is how the front is looking. And hopefully if y'all get this wig, y'all front don't look nothing like mine. Because like I said, these baby hairs is not it. The wig is from Amazon. And for it to be from Amazon, like if it was like an emergency type situation, like I just need a wig real quick because I got somewhere to go, or I need a wig real quick because my hair look a mess, or it's quarantine and it's corona outside and I can't go get my hair done, so I need to throw a wig on. This is that wig. You know, you can tell when you get a wig by how it feels, like how long it's gonna last. This will definitely, if you take care of this will definitely last you for a while. So let me rate it. All in all, I rate this 6.5. I was about to give it a 7, but should I give it a 7? The hair is nice. It curls beautifully. I'm not getting any tangling. I'm not getting any shedding. The only problem is right up in there. Couldn't tweeze the hair. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 7. You guys try this hair at your own risk. If the hairline is pre-plucked. If you wasn't trying to be extra like me, it might work for you. I just like it to be a little bit more plucked. But I don't know. Like I said, this is a look for certain situations. Will I be wearing this wig again? Of course, I'm wearing it to work. So I don't know. I think this is a okay buy. This is a okay buy. It's not in vain. Okay, Amazon, you get a 7 for this week. Also, I installed this wig with this new Got2b spray. If you guys want to know my thoughts on this spray, check out my previous video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment. If you bought this hair, tell me how you like it. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know when I drop another video, because there's one coming very, very soon. Okay? Alright, you guys have a good one. Bye. Wait. Before you go, I just went and wet my hair because I just wasn't feeling it. Was not feeling it, y'all. I'm sorry. Like this hair, that curl was not. It was not. Okay, I had to change shirts for you guys so you guys can really see the hair better. Oh, so much better than what I had. Why did y'all let me put them curls in my hair like that? We're gonna get this right. Hold up. Do y'all like this length? Oh yeah, y'all. Yeah. This is it. Oh. Let's do it before and after. This is, I mean, the baby hairs are still too much, but okay, so I'm going to have to take this, okay, I'm gonna give the wig a 7.58 because I'm gonna just give it an 8. Me doing that, okay, so the natural wave of the hair is so pretty, y'all. Oh baby, I'm excited now. I'm excited. Aren't y'all glad I came back? I didn't end the video where I ended it. Look at this. This is so pretty, and it's like a wet look, but when it dries, oh my gosh, when it dries, this is what I should have did at first. All right, y'all, leave me a comment. How do y'all like the hair? Y'all like it how I had it at first, or do y'all like it wet and in this natural state? I'm voting for this all the way. This is better. Leave a comment down below. Which one do y'all think? Because I know I'm not crazy right now. That's it, y'all. I'm gone for real now. Like I said, don't forget to comment below. Let me know which way y'all prefer this hair. Subscribe. And also turn on your notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Love you guys. Bye.